Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our lovely 2016 Audi TTS. What I'll do is take you around the bodywork and I'll take you inside, explain any features on the way. So starting with the front left, moving down the front left wheel arch, no dents, scratches or anything like that. These really nice LED daytime running lights. Round to the front, you see you've got your TTS badging and more aggressive front grille. As opposed to what you get on the standard TTS lines, things like that. Across the bonnet, windscreen, so you can see there's no damage to the windscreen or the bonnet. And moving down the right hand side of the car, into the front right wheel. See good tread on the tyres. The wheels are in nice condition. There is some curbing marks around the wheels. Nothing too nasty. Down the right hand side again you can see no dents or scratches, a couple of tiny little marks there, there's a tiny mark there, but again really nothing to worry about at all. Back right wheel, again good tyres, small marks around the wheels, and then moving around the back we've got these really nice LED rear lights as well, and the spoiler which can go up or down. You've got your 4 exhausts, and then you've got your rear parking sensors as well, and again you've got your TTS badging. Moving down the left hand side, back left wheels in really nice condition, good tread on the tyres, and down the left hand side of the vehicle there's no marks at all from what I can see. Down to the front left wheel, again a little tiny mark on the wheel, but really nothing to worry about, and good tread on the tyres. You've got these lovely two-tone mirrors, so you've got like a more chromy silver coloured mirror as opposed to the dark grey car. The damage on this car prior, so as you can see from the advert, is a category S vehicle. All it was the passenger door, and there was some damage to the seal as well, which has been fully repaired professionally. But yeah, that marker is against the car, hence the price. So taking you into the car now, you've got these lovely Audi S seats. Electric mirrors and windows, your central locking, really nice cushion plush seats here. So over here on the clock, I believe it's 30,000 miles. I'm not sure how to get that up. I'll just find out for you. Pretty sure it's 30,000. Oh yeah, there we go, 38,219. You can see that there. Over here you've got your like the LED screens on all of the dials, which shows you the you've got your fan speed and temperatures, things like that. Front heated seats. Moving down here you've got your automatic gearbox, shifter. You've got some storage in there. Volume controls. Down here you've got your infotainment controls, and as you'll see there is no infotainment up here. It's a very driver focused car. So brings your map up, your telephone over here, radio, media. You can change your dial setup depending on how you'd like it. But that's all controlled from over here. As you can see, you've got some driver assist over there, so you've got your lane assist and things like that. On the back of the steering wheel you've got your flappy paddles, and you've also got your automatic windscreen wipers, and then you've got your steering wheel controls here as well. Got this lovely Audi TTS line wheel, so you've got the flat bottom so a more sporty style. And that pretty much sums up the vehicle, to be honest with you. It's a really, really nice car to drive. One of the nicest cars I've driven. And yeah, just a really stunning car. I'm sure it will go very, very quick. So if you are interested, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 033 781. This car comes with a 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT and 1 year's AA breakdown cover. And if you'd like to find out more information about us as a company or about this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, please check out our website, paylessforacar.com. Hope you're well, and like I said, any questions, just don't hesitate to give us a call. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.